Welcome to the big, beautiful Bella Sanlucci kitchen. This month's recipe contest submission by Robert Bankert. We have potatoes, chorizo, sun-dried tomatoes, and a lemon aioli. These strong ingredients will bring a multicultural flavor to your table as we roll into spring. So now let's get our sliced chorizo into the oven. We're gonna put them on the bottom rack because Chef Robert says he wants them crispy. Okay, our pride and joy, Bella Sanlucci sun-dried tomato halves in olive oil with Italian herbs. Wonderful, rich flavor. Will make any sauce stronger, better, deeper, richer. And we're using all of its oil too, which is a great way to continue with the flavor and the health benefits in the Mediterranean diet. I'm just gonna put a touch of water to make sure that we get some action in the blender, and I'll add more if I need to. Start on low, we'll pulse for a second. We're gonna go to high, add that a little extra bit of water. And now we have a nice thick puree. It's a little warm. Okay, I hear the chorizo talking to me, so let's get it out of the oven. And it is, I promise, crispy on the bottom. Beautiful golden brown color. Okay, onto the potatoes. Chef Robert says to use a small Yukon Gold or creamer. And here are the two skewers to keep the knife from going through to the board. Taking your time and get nice thin slices will help with your presentation. A little bit of our Bella Sanlucci estate grown olives with the olive oil, grown here at Mooney Farms. Nice little drizzle, and then a generous sprinkle of salt. And now we're gonna get them into the oven, preheated at 425. We're gonna go into the top rack so it doesn't get too crispy and overcooked on the bottom. Okay, now we're gonna make this aioli. It's lemon and garlic. Aioli normally is a garlic mayonnaise. You can make it from scratch if you prefer. Chef Robert is making it with prepared mayonnaise. So let's mix the lemon in first to get it to be a little runnier, a little saucier, because we want to drizzle it on the potatoes afterward. And now we're gonna add the garlic and a pinch of salt. This is smelling so wonderful. It's garlicky, lemony. Okay, the moment of truth is here. Let's get these beautiful little potatoes out of the oven, golden brown. We're gonna roughly chop the chorizo, so it's got a little smaller bite to it and doesn't overwhelm the potato. Get this beautiful tomato sauce. Mooney Farms Bella Sanlucci sun-dried tomatoes. Make a nice little landing pad there. And now we'll get our potatoes down, unarranged nicely. And let's sprinkle some of our sausage on top. And some of the Manchego cheese, another nice Spanish touch. And the aioli, which originally was Spanish, came from alioli. It's a little sprinkle of parsley. And here you have Chef Robert Bankert's Hasselback potatoes with chorizo and Manchego cheese. Wonderful dish for the end of winter and the beginning of spring. Everyone, please have a wonderful equinoccio primaverale. Please eat with friends, family, and love. Arrivederci.